Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to wishlist in Temu. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. The first thing you want to do is actually open up the Temu app and just be on the home page. And now from here, we want to look for a product which we actually want to add to our wish list. So either choose one from your cart or search around and pick an item that you want to add to your wish list. I'm just going to go into categories and pick a random item. Let's choose headphones. Let's just say I wanted to add this to my wish list. Now for some reason, they don't actually have the wish list available to every single user. If you are lucky, you will have a heart in the top right corner of the screen, and if you click that, it will actually add the item to your wish list. But as you can see in the top right corner of mine, I've only got search and save item. Now unfortunately it's not in here and I can't find it anywhere, so I did a bit of research and it turns out that only certain devices actually have access to this feature. I think it must be something new that they're rolling out slowly to users, so if you don't have it just yet, I'd recommend checking it every week or coming back every month or something like that. I'm just checking it if you do actually have this feature enabled. So if you do have it, it is as simple as clicking the heart in the top right corner of the screen and then adding it to wishlist. And then from here, if you want to find your wish list, you can go back to this section here and then you'll be able to find it in here. But as you can see, I can't see wish list on here either as I do not have access to it yet. So hopefully you do have access, and then from there you can add all the products you want in your wish list on Temu. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.